Hello everybody, welcome to the Unruly Chefs channel, where we highlight the Caribbean through island people, island places, and island food. Today I'll be making one of my favorite Caribbean drinks for the summer called pine ginger. So I'll be walking you through step 1 all the way to finale. So let's go, and we're gonna go straight into it and start cutting up that pineapple. Have you ever been cutting up food and it slides all around the counter? I'm gonna show you a quick tip. So if you damp a rag, put it down on the table and put the cutting board over the rag itself, it prevents the actual board from sliding when you're cutting. So I'm gonna show you when I'm cutting up the pineapple. So we finally cut up all the pineapples, and this is gonna go into the blender. Next step, cutting up the ginger. Also, I hope you guys did not throw away the pineapple skin because we're gonna use this later. Throw a little ginger in there. We're gonna do this for a couple of rounds too. I usually just boil the water just to sterilize the water. That's basically why this is hot water. And then we're gonna continue this step until you blend up all your ginger, pineapple, and your lemons. So here we go. What I do with this one as well, I'm cutting up this lemon, and I'm gonna cut this up into 4 pieces and throw this into the lemon and ginger as well. Some people squeeze it in there. I usually blend 1 whole lemon and then I squeeze the other one at the end after the whole process is completely finished. This is all natural juice, guys, all natural juice. No preservatives, nothing. All right, this is the last batch. At this point, the pot is boiling hot, and I'm gonna put in the pineapple skin from earlier. And last step, all the ingredients that we blended up, the ginger, the lemon, that 1 lemon I would say, we're gonna pour this into the pot. Okay, so I've been letting the pot boil for about 35 minutes to 40 minutes. So it's completed. You could smell the aroma. It smells strong of ginger and pine. At this point, we're gonna let it sit for 24 hours overnight to let it ferment. And then we are going to strain everything off, and tomorrow we're gonna have our completed product of pine and ginger juice. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so we have completed the pineapple ginger juice, AKA pine and ginger. So here I am putting the lid on here. And guys, you could strain this off as multiple times as you want to. So I used a strainer, a cheesecloth. So do it to your perfection, right? So some people like more pulp in their juice than not pulp or whatever it may be, but do what's best for you. So let's try the juice. Yeah, that's refreshing. Yeah. Pine and ginger, guys. Or pineapple ginger juice, whatever we call it. There we go.